Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today we are going to be getting a lot done. I'm going to be doing some cleaning primarily because people are going to be coming over for Easton's birthday. He is turning 6 on this day, and I cannot believe that he is 6 already. It's so crazy how fast time flies. And I also did a quick Sam's haul, did a lot of laundry, did some thrifting. I'm going to be showing you guys some thrift finds and a lot of cleaning motivation. So I hope you guys will either clean with me or just hang out. We are going to be getting a lot done today.
Prison cigarette smoke, is it the print you wanna leave behind? Get all those cold eyes cold looking, but saying bye bye bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away.
We are starting out in the kids' room that arguably gets the most messy. We're always finding trash in here, so it's really funny that they are in the same room because they're both always leaving trash in here. I say it's funny, it's not. They're always telling them not to leave trash in here, and I know I should not be cleaning it up, but like I said, people are coming over and we do make them come in here and clean it up. I've actually been making a habit of that just because I want them to get in the habit of not leaving trash around. And their bed solution right now, how it is obviously not long term, but Easton really loves sleeping under here this way so he can see the TV, and he likes putting stuff over in that corner. So whatever, it works for now. That's how he likes it. I was just quickly cleaning up their room, and then I'm gonna be quickly cleaning up the basement, but their shelves were so dusty. They have so many little cars and knickknacks and things, and so I was just kind of going in and dusting around all of those. But yeah, their room, I would say out of all the kids' rooms, probably definitely stays the messiest. And if there's one thing about in this house with 8 people, it's that there is always laundry either to do or put away, and there is always a bathroom to clean. There's always something to clean. Let me know if you guys feel that way, but definitely in the season of life that I'm in right now, there is definitely always cleaning to do, always laundry to do, and it is very crazy, chaotic, but it's a lot of fun, and the cleaning is kind of just never ending over here though.
I went by your house, what a big mistake. But for a while I thought that I wouldn't break. I need something else to clear my head. Someone to tell me how to live instead. Just open your eyes and take my advice. Stop rolling the dice and just compromise. It's the chance of your life.
And let me know, there have been a lot of questions asked, and I've been trying to kind of answer them as I have came back on this channel. But if you guys would, if you have questions that you want me to answer in upcoming videos, definitely comment down below and I can do that throughout these videos. But I am so happy to be back on here, and I will be chatting with you guys a little bit in this video as well. And let me know if you guys like this get it all done style type of video. These are definitely one of my favorite types of videos to make. I think they're really fun, and I love that they can have the cleaning but also have a little bit of everything else.
I don't even care if my soul is gone. So many words that I should have said. Not concerned about how to live instead. Just open your eyes and take my advice. Stop rolling the dice and just compromise. It's the chance of your life. Okay, try to be brave. You have so much to save. Take control of your own life. Right now, every mistake makes you
now that I have a general handle on the house, the main area of the house is all clean. I got birthday stuff out ready to go. The main area of the house is looking mostly clean. I need to get stuff for the entryway still. I found this little tray yesterday at a thrift store. I think it is so cute. I'm just putting it on this table with the remote, and I already had that, but this has seen better days. This one I had over here with all of our like drink packets in it. So I think I'm gonna just put this one back over here. I love the random banana. There was a whole bunch, or a whole bushel of them. The kids have eaten them. Just got the wax thing going. Got the main area of the basement cleaned. Boys' room cleaned. Sheets in the wash. Mine and Josh's room is a disaster. And I still need to like vacuum out here, but the vacuum just died from doing the basement, and I think from yesterday. I don't think I put it on the charger last night, but right now I have quite a bit of running that I need to go do. I'm also obsessed with these little cherished teddies that I got from the thrift store the other day. These I think I showed in the last video, but I love these specifically. This one is my favorite. It's like a little box. Okay, I've never ran this down to the wire with getting a cake for a kid's birthday, so I'm not nervous. I'm not. I am a very, very non-aesthetic, non-influencer mom when it comes to my kids' birthday parties. And you guys, if you followed me for a while, you know that. We usually just order pizza or like get some type of food, do presents, cake. Cakes are usually from Walmart. I used to get them from a local bakery, but they were not very good anymore, so I started getting them from Walmart. They got super pricey and they were like very dry and not good. I think this time I'm gonna get them from Sam's. Also need to get a couple other things from Sam's, like some drinks and some coffee and things. I have on my list for Sam's, I have coffee, drinks, cake, water. We need some water, and then I need to come home, clean the bathrooms, finish decorating, wrap his presents, and I also, because this is necessary, I also want to go to a new thrift store that I found, because the other day I went there and it was like hidden gem one, and they had a lot of really cute stuff, but I was pressed for time because the kids were needing to get picked up, because it's only a few minutes away from Sam's, so it makes sense, right? Much better. My car was so dirty. I've gotten a lot of questions on if I got a new car, and the answer to that is yes and no. Since I've been off of YouTube, yes, but it has been some months. A lot of people have asked that, and what car I have and what car I drive with having 4 and sometimes 6 kids, and I drive a Honda Odyssey. It is a 2026. I got it a couple of months ago. I honestly can't remember when, but I got my car washed, and I was kind of joking with Josh. I was like, I kind of was starting to look around the road, and I'm like, man, you can really tell who has their life together and who doesn't based on whose car is super filthy right now, hence why mine was filthy. I went thrifting, went to Sam's, went to Walmart, and I'm out of breath. I just brought all this in. Just do a quick little haul. I gotta get it put away because the kids are about to be home. I got this salad kit because it looks good right now. I was starving right now while I was in the store. So I think I'm gonna eat some of this actually in a little bit here. The kids devour these yogurts, and at Sam's they're a great price. You guys, I tried this coffee, I believe, a while back, and it's pretty good. It has, to me, it has more of like an espresso taste. Some dish packs because we're running low. Easton, we're having his birthday tonight, hence the 2 cakes. I'm gonna do a little decorating to that one, but he asked me to get Prime for tonight. And then I also got him this little Gap set. I just thought it was so cute, and it was pretty soft, so I got him that. I always buy my razors at Sam's because they're so expensive anywhere else. I mean, they're expensive in general, but gosh, some black socks. This boy bought himself new socks not that long ago. He bought white socks. Josh, if you're watching this, which I know you probably will, even though I hate when he watches my videos, because I hate listening to myself talk, so I tell him not to watch them around me. Do not buy white socks again. So gross. I hate white socks. Let me know if I'm the only one, but I hate white socks for anyone, kids, anyone, because they just look so dirty. They look so dirty. Mac and cheese, Little Bites. Actually, I haven't bought those in so long, but the kids do love them. Variety chip pack. I just always get that at Sam's because like it's seriously always gone. Paper plates, a vanilla cake, and a chocolate cake. That chocolate cake actually looks so good. I got a couple sodas for tonight. I've been on a Diet Dr. Pepper kick. And then I got this for decorating Easton's cake. I'm just gonna write on it. Nothing too crazy. And then the Long story short, one day when I was in a thrift store, I was like drawn to these like little teddy bears just because I thought they were cute. And my mom was like, that is so crazy, because my grandma that I was close with that has since passed, she used to collect these and have them in her house. And I don't know, it was just the weirdest thing ever, because I like didn't know why I was drawn to them. And then when my mom said that, I was like, because me and my grandma were so close. And this one is actually I was actually wondering if this one was a cherished teddy or not. Not really sure. She has a price tag on her foot, but I think she has a coin in there. Okay, so this is not where I had these, but I just pulled all the bears down that I've found recently. So interrupting this video to an explanation that no one asked for. We don't think, what, any of these are cherished teddies now?
No.
But, or this one, right?
No.
They're, you're a fake, you're a fake. But these are, and this one is.
That's what you just got today.
Yes. So it not that it matters. I don't know, whatever. I just know some people are like super specific about, you know, thrift things. But how cute is this little guy?
So cute. Tootsie, as you would say. Finds of the day.
We found these ones today. I'm not really sure where I'm gonna put all these. We gotta find spots for all of them. This one I still love though, because like I said, it has glasses like Eli, so I think it's really cute, but it is not, most definitely not a cherished teddy. And neither, but I like this one too because it opens, so whatever. This collection's getting out of hand, but I love it. Okay, that'll do. I definitely don't have a future at working at a bakery. Fortnite characters added. I think he'll be happy with it.
How can you put it on the ground so I can do some?
You want to help me?
Yeah.
Easton wants to
Help mommy.
You want to help me?
Yeah, I help mommy.
Okay, come help me.
Mommy.
No. It's the llama.
Push it.
Oh.
Whoa.
Oh.
In the stillness somewhere above, the city lights, you're falling in love. Still aware, you know it is true, that you were lost and this is a clue. Love is forever, love is forever. To believe you gotta let go. Light as a feather, light as a feather.
The last thing we're going to be doing today is cleaning up our closet. This was actually, I believe, the next day, but we were going to clean out our closet and leave it to Josh. He's like, we may as well just go ahead and film this. Josh actually is really good about having me get my camera out when I don't think to. And our closet had gotten very messy. We had a lot of blankets on the floor and I was seriously just so over it. I had some things that I wanted to get rid of in here, and I had actually gotten rid of some clothes. I believe it was the previous day. I got rid of like a full bag of stuff. We were just really bad about, I say we, but it really is probably more so me, just our closet getting really messy. So we were just kind of putting some of this stuff up where it needed to go, and we ended up getting it a lot more cleaned out because it was pretty messy.
To believe you gotta let go. Light as a feather, light as a feather. Lucid dreaming over Tokyo.
But I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys are new, I would love for you to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.